Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming connectivity and eliminating easy causes. First, verify your phone has internet, Wi-Fi, or cellular, and that web pages load. Next, force quit Discord and reopen the app. This clears transient failures. If problems persist, reboot your device to refresh network stacks and app permissions. Also, make sure you're logged into the correct Discord account. Once done, note any error messages and proceed to app and network settings for deeper troubleshooting. Now you handle configuration that often blocks connections. Toggle airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds to reset radios, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and test. Open your phone settings, clear Discord cache to remove corrupted files, and if that fails, reinstall the app to get a clean client. Disable any VPN or proxy because they can block Discord ports, and make sure background data and battery optimization exemptions are set so Discord can maintain a. Finally, apply advanced network fixes to restore connectivity. Change your DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 in mobile network settings to bypass ISP resolution issues, then test again. If that doesn't help, reset network settings on your phone to clear stubborn configurations, or try a different Wi-Fi or mobile network to isolate the problem. If Discord still won't connect, gather error messages and screenshots, and contact Discord support. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, temporarily use the web or desktop client to verify account/server access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.